14th, and the time is 3:52 p.m. Here's how the day has unfolded. I haven't posted the past couple of days. I had a day trade that ended up going wrong with oil, and I'll explain here in just a little bit. Starting with the 10-year up to 1%, not much of anything. Natural gas, like I said, I'm still watching this instrument, nothing new. I did take a long on gold. That took some heat, but now it's coming back. My target is here somewhere. I'll take a look at it here in just a bit. This is the trade that has gone bad on me. I had looked at oil. Initially, I had said earlier that I really don't want to mess with oil due to the volatility and the moves that it makes. But decided to take one after all. I took a long over here on S1, and that was fine. The only problem was I took a second long much earlier than the rules, which is over here. So if I had taken one here and one here, I would have had a chance to exit with a profit in here much earlier than I'm holding now. It didn't go because this is not quite enough to pull me out with a profit. So I ended up holding it some more and had to go through this downswing in here, which was painful, not knowing where there's an end in there. But luckily there was, and now we're moving back up. I should be able to get out here at maybe a break even, maybe slight profit, not much of anything. But that's what I'm still holding now. MES, I had taken a long in here, added to it in here a bit early, and again the rules really should have been in here, so I should have just been holding one and just worry about it. I took the second one in here, and it took take a little bit of heat with both contracts, and it did close, and I exited with a decent profit in here somewhere. I can't remember. I'll look at it. And I'm look at it now. I exited in 67. So it was yeah, in here. Okay, then MNQ, same thing. I took a long in here. I think I added another one in here somewhere and exited in here. I've been out of the office most of the day, and I'm just now doing I'm looking at what happened during the day, so I'll finish this out later on. M2K, the same thing, long, added to it, and exited in here actually, somewhere. That was a pretty decent exit. MYM, long, added to it in here, and bailed out on both somewhere in here. I did take a few Forex positions. The first one is the AUD USD long, then add just on S2, and it's moving my way now. It's looking good. And I took the short on the Swiss Japanese, and that's pretty much break even or small loss. I did take a long on the British pound in here, and it's up slightly. I took a long on the New Zealand that took a lot of heat, didn't get a chance to add, and it's moving up now. US Japanese, I am short in here, and it's a break even. And US CAD was the most painful one. I took a short in here, added to it in here. It's way past the R2, and now it's finally starting to move back in again. So I may want to exit both of those here in just a little bit. So that's it for the day. It's been a good day with those profits in here. It's I'm still holding, like I said, I'm still holding the oil. And this is my average, and took a lot of heat on this position. And I'm gonna exit in here at 49 as soon as I make a little bit of profit. And the gold, I'm holding onto the gold. As for the Forex, here's where I'm at with the Forex. And the only thing I'm thinking of exiting is probably the CAD. And maybe a little bit longer. I'll give it some more time and see. But that's it for the day. It's been a decent day with me up a total of 3 plus 112 plus 130 of 700, and hopefully I'll get out of the oil here in just a little bit. It's finally moving my way.